Hey everyone, want to make money online? Today, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing in just 1 minute. Step 1, choose your niche. First, pick a niche you're passionate about. It could be anything from fitness to tech gadgets. This will keep you motivated and help you connect with your audience. Step 2, research affiliate programs. Next, research and join affiliate programs. Popular ones include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. These platforms offer a variety of products you can promote. Step 3, create valuable content. Now, create valuable content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page. Share reviews, tutorials, and tips related to your niche. Step 4, add affiliate links. Add your affiliate links to your content. Make sure to disclose that you earn a commission. This builds trust with your audience. Step 5, optimize for SEO. Optimize your content for SEO. Use relevant keywords to help your content rank higher in search results. Step 6, promote on social media. Promote your content on social media. Engage with your audience and share your posts regularly to drive traffic. Step 7, use email marketing. Use email marketing to reach your audience directly. Send newsletters with valuable content and affiliate links. Step 8, analyze and improve. Finally, analyze your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic and sales. Adjust your strategy based on what works best. And that's it. You're ready to start your affiliate marketing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Happy marketing!